up, YouTube? I've been editing all day. Y'all like that? Florida Gators. I've been editing all day. I hope you like it. It's a video me and my buddy Trey shot on how to change your brakes on your car. Please like, please subscribe, please comment, please follow. Smash that like button, the thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up if you like, you know, the thumbs up. Also down below is a bell. You get all my videos as they show as soon as I post them. Over there is the subscribe button. Smash it, man. Thank y'all for the love. All right, basically just taking the lug nuts off one by one. Loosen it before you jack it up. And what you're taking off, you see this bolt right here, and there's a bolt right here.
You gotta turn your steering wheel to the right.
You want to hand loosen them first. That piece just slides right off, that easy. Should have got two.
No, this one's fine, but you. How much is a rotor?
40-something bucks.
Okay, yeah, you're better off with a rotor. It needs turning, but hell, to get it turned is 20 to 30. You're better off getting a damn rotor. I mean, it's got plenty of meat on it, but it's got a hell of a lip to it. See that right here? The lip on the edge.
Hell yeah.
That's no bueno.
We'll have to pick up one next time. For sure.
That one's seized.
Hammer?
Nope.
So you want to pull these things out every time, or just about every time.
Oh, God.
And add a little bit more grease on them.
I hope I don't pull the rubber stop out.
Don't look like it's coming out. Kinda does.
It's dry.
Which is a no-no. Woo! Look at that dust come out when you did that.
Damn it, I pulled it out. Fuck.
Alright, so we putting grease back on it. Sliding it back in.
It's better.
Huh? Is that a piece you were looking for?
It sure is. Man, I hope you know I just got out of the shower.
Hey man, it's alright, man.
At least you know it ain't bad.
Hell yeah. Water runs around here all the time, don't it? Sometimes.
Sometimes twice.
When the county don't mess with it.
That wasn't bad. Well, it was bad, but not as bad.
So basically what happens is, what these things do is your caliper opens and closes for your brakes, which is this piece right here. Comes out, closes your brakes down. What this does is, if there's any kind of rotation or whatever, it keeps it See how it does? Pushes it back out.
It allows your brakes to travel.
Yeah, there you go. It allows your brakes to travel so it can move. But it don't move a lot. So now you know.
And the more you know, the more you grow.
What G.I. Joe say? Knowing is half the battle. One day Trey's gonna be a mechanic.
Don't you put that curse on me, Ricky Bobby.
So what we're doing now is we're compressing the caliper, but we're doing it not so right way.
No, it works.
It's not the way it's.
Just the way you do it without having the proper equipment. And I still gotta go more. Man, all the way.
I might have to have one of those other brake pads.
I went the wrong way.
Howdy ho.
I'm like, why is it getting small? Don't look right.
So basically what you're doing is compressing that caliper back. Little by little. Slowly. Make sure the fluid goes back in that evenly. Try to zoom in on it as much as I can. Oh, sorry, Trey. Y'all see it slowly going in. Till it's back flush.
You don't have to go flush, but it's just me.
Well, we're gonna say you have to go back flush. How about that one?
It alleviates the fact of if you don't go enough, you gotta take it all back off and do it again. Gonna do it right from the get-go.
And always remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. What he's doing now is all brake pads come with a little jizz on it that you have to wear off after a while. But if you're lucky, it wears off after a while. Go ahead and pre-wearing it for you. Yeah, I feel like a horsefly just bit me.
Wasn't me.
Don't lie. And it's okay to use power tools, but it's not okay to tighten it all the way with your power tool. Or with your impact or whatever you might use. You will break it.
Quickly.
Alright, I gotta go back and turn. So I'll be right back.
No, you're good.
He's playing He-Man right now.
Close enough.
He's gonna start himself.
Too late. Hey, give me some tires.
Oh, shoot.
Holy mix shit. And the more you know, the more.
just let y'all know, my buddy Trey, he does have a YouTube channel. What's the name of your YouTube channel?
I don't know. I don't know. I've been on that guy so long.
I'm gonna leave a link down below to his YouTube channel.
Mainly for gaming, but you know.
He does a lot of gaming. Might have some other stuff on there. Who knows? He said he hasn't been on there in a while, but if y'all like to check out his channel, link will be in the description below. Thank y'all for watching. Again, it's how to change the brakes and a rotor on a 2002 Toyota Avalon or a Lexus. Same thing, no difference.
Pretty much every vehicle is done the same way I just did it.
Well, as you heard, every vehicle is just about done the same way.
More or less.
More or less. Less than more. Who knows?
Like it's all, we've all got the same 2 bolts.
Same bolts, same everything. We finna tighten this thing back down. I gotta get a new tire put on my car. Y'all have a good one.
Slide grease.
Alright, so what you doing?
Oh yeah, that works, man.
Well, you look like you good at that.
They got a bunch of that old shit in there. Wait. Oh! How'd that go?
Is it something you need to do every time you change the brakes?
Oh yeah. Or at least check it.
What does that do?
This is what allows.
Yeah.
Don't ask, just do. Don't
Okay.
ask, just do. Save a little bit of grease on the other side too.
That one didn't have a titty nipple on it?
Nope.
Alright.
I don't know why. I have workplaces, they don't know why. It just is.
So we got the new rotor installed. Got the new brakes installed.
Come on, bitch. That wasn't it. We're gonna put my 14 go.
What's that doing?
I was trying to turn the damn tire so I could put the wheel on a bit easier.
Well, you mean I turn it forward, that way it
No,
rolls?
it won't turn, the other side's on the ground.
Yeah, we don't want to mess the jack up.
That is not tight. Still got to tighten.
10, fool.
That's just to get it on.
Alright, so when you putting the jack up under there, what do you want to feel for?
Just put it up under the frame rail. Like you can tell it's a frame rail, there's a lot of metal, not just a thin piece of metal. Just saying.
Because if you don't put it on the frame rail, you're going to go through your floor.
Either that or you're gonna have a bad time.
Are you going to go through your engine,
You're gonna have a bad
your firewall,